20 Secrets of Boosting the Implant Practice. Patient acceptance plays an important role in a dental practice. Following recent trends, patients don't want dentures or other treatment options that were done during their parents' time. Surprisingly, it may be possible that an implant will be the only restorative option for missing teeth in the future. However, few management and marketing techniques can help make the resources and the expertise for implants be more rewarding. 1. It's never too late to start. Many dentists refer implant cases to oral surgeons, as they don't want to venture down this stream. The study conducted by the American Academy of Implant Dentistry states that more than 35 million Americans are missing one or more teeth. Realizing the scope and the potential of implant treatments, dentists should start treating implant patients themselves. However, proper knowledge and skills should be gained before beginning with this process. 2. Educate the patient. Case reports and testimonials can be used in order to convince the patient for the implant treatment. Moreover, the patient should be educated about the entire implant procedure. 3. It's important to have an implant coordinator in the team. The coordinator bridges the gap between the doctor and the patient and helps to bring more flow of implant cases. 4. Manage your schedule well. Many times the proper management of appointments can help to spare more time that can be used for implant cases. Doctors with a busy practice like to designate a few days of the week for implant-only patients. 5. Surroundings matter. Having a separate space that is specifically dedicated to implant treatments helps to create a perfect surrounding for the treatment. Also, the successful implant cases and experiences of the patients can be kept in the display. 6. Talk about finances. In many countries, implant treatment is included in the dental insurance. However, it's important to talk about the finances with the patient. Providing a variety of finance options to the patient for implant treatment can increase the number of patients. 7. Proper treatment. Every case of implant should be treated efficiently. Sometimes a successful case is the best way of advertisement. 9. Emphasize the aesthetic benefits of implants. If the patient is a teenager or adolescent, then it's natural for this person to be conscious about self-image. In this scenario, if the aesthetic benefits of implants are highlighted, then it surely attracts the patient. Also, in this 21st century, more patients opt for aesthetic solutions for their dental problems. 10. Train the staff. Many times, a small word of reassurance that the treatment option of an implant is very useful and helpful by an assistant or the receptionist helps to reinforce the message. 11. Make sure you're present at every appointment. Many times, the dentist with a busy practice hands over the restorative procedure or other less crucial steps in the implant process to the junior dentist. If possible, the dentist should try to do all the steps by himself or at least be present in person when the other steps are being carried out. 12. Keep a record. It's important to track all the appointments and keep a record of all the implant patients. 13. Follow-up. Frequently, a small follow-up call or message after the initial appointment in which the patient is educated about the dental implant helps to convince the patient for treatment if he is in doubt. The reinforcement of the benefits helps to convince the patient for the treatment procedure. 14. Know your mistakes. Not every patient that is advised for implants turns up for the actual treatment. However, it's very important to keep track of patients that didn't return for the treatment and solve the causes behind it. 15. Social media management. In this technologically advanced age, the presence of doctors on social media platforms influences the patients. A doctor can use various social media platforms to spread the message to the public in an interesting way. 16. Hire the professionals. There are professional agencies that help to increase the influx of patients in the dental clinic. A dentist can take help from such agencies to increase the number of implant cases. 17. Continuing dental education matters. It's very important to learn and follow the latest techniques followed in the implant dentistry. One should keep oneself constantly updated with the latest dental techniques and materials. 18. Use high-quality materials. Apart from the technique and expertise required in implant dentistry, it's important that the dentist uses high-quality products for the implant procedures. 19. Track your inventory. It's important that the dentist has a sufficient number of implants and other dental materials ready in stock. It's better to have a few extra implants than to lose a patient. And 20. The logo matters. Many dentists rename their clinic to the Implant Center. This is a useful trick as it advertises the clinic to the target audience. So in conclusion, follow these simple yet effective steps, and this will unleash the influx of more implant patients.